Now discuss about class Reptilia. It is the next class after the amphibians. Reptiles are the creeping animals and first omnivore vertebrates. Reptilia, class Reptilia, these are ectothermic. Ectothermic, that means cold-blooded animals. Ectothermic, that means changes its body temperature to that surrounding environment. Next, cold-blooded omnivores. These are the first omnivores. Which are the omnivores? Omnivores, vertebrates. Vertebrates are omnivores, not all the vertebrates from the reptiles. Reptiles, birds, mammals are the omnivores. Reptiles, birds, mammals are omnivore vertebrates. Omnivore, that means amnion. It is the one of the extra embryonic membrane that surrounds the developing embryo. Okay, their embryonic development of the animal. These are called omnivores. Okay, these are the animals having amnion, extra embryonic membrane in their embryonic development. Okay, next, extinct labyrinthodont amphibians. These are originate from labyrinthodont amphibians. Labyrinthodont, these are the group of amphibians. Extinct labyrinthodont amphibians. Extinct, these are the labyrinthodont amphibians are goes to the extinction. These are originated from, gave rise from extinct labyrinthodont amphibians during the time of the Carboniferous period. Carboniferous period is the golden age of the amphibians. At the time of the Carboniferous period, these are the reptiles or gave rise from, originated from, evolved from the extinct labyrinthodont amphibians. Next, golden age of the reptiles. These are the reptiles are emerges into largest group, evolved into large diversified group at the time of the Mesozoic era. So it is called golden age of the reptiles. And these are the reptiles lays cleidoic eggs. Okay, cleidoic eggs means eggs of the reptiles covered with the hard substance that is made up with the calcium carbonate shell, okay, which allows the entry of the oxygen to the tissue present in the embryo, present in the at the time of the embryonic development within the egg. Next, these are the cleidoic eggs having hard surface and does not allow the water into it through the pores present in the shell. Next, eggs with extra embryonic membranes. These are the eggs also with extra embryonic membranes. These are amnion, allantois, chorion, yolk sac. Okay, amnion, it is the one of the extra embryonic membrane, protects the developing embryo from the outer surrounding environment. Allantois, okay student, allantois, it is the another one of the extra embryonic membrane and helps in the exchange of the gases. Next, it is also provides with blood vessels. Allantois. Chorion, it is the extra embryonic membrane and helps in the exchange of the nutrients. Yolk sac that surrounds the embryo. Okay, amnion, allantois, chorion, yolk sac are the extra embryonic membrane within the egg. Next, herpetology. Herpetology means it is a study about the reptiles. Next, general characters of the reptiles. What about the general characters shown by the reptiles? First one, these are true terrestrial. True terrestrial. Lives on the land surface. Next, creeping animals. and burrowing, form burrows in soil, burrowing animals. Next, body is divided into head, neck, trunk, tail, 4 parts. Next, skin is rough and dry, students. Skin is rough and dry, and exoskeleton is also available. Exoskeleton is in the form of the horny epidermal scales, and some animals have shield-like structures and also with the claws. Okay. Next, dentition. What about the arrangement of the teeth? Ecrodont, okay, homodont, polyphyodont. Ecrodont, that means teeth are attached to the jawbone. Homodont, all teeth are similar. Polyphyodont, teeth are formed in many times. Next, thecodont is available in reptiles, crocodiles mainly. Thecodont dentition. In this type, teeth are embedded in the sockets of the jawbone. That is, the dentition is called thecodont. Fixed in the groove-like structures present in the surface of jawbone. Teeth are fixed in the sockets of the jawbone. That is thecodont dentition, present in crocodiles. Okay, chelonians includes with tortoise. Chelonians is edentate, that means teeth are absent. Next, skull is monocondylic, only one condyle present at the posterior part of the skull. Next, temporal fossae having. What about temporal fossae? These are the shallow structures present on the surface of skull. Shallow structures present on the surface of the skull, and these are helpful in attachment of the muscular tissue, embedding of the muscular tissue in these areas. Temporal fossae also present on the surface of skull. These are shallow structures on the skull, helps to fixing of the muscular tissue. Next, half of the lower jaw, upper jaw, half of the lower jaw that have 6 bones. Okay. Next, another half with 6 bones. Next, vertebrae are procellus. Procellus, that means this is the modal vertebra. This is the center part of the vertebra called centrum. Okay, student, and it is the anterior face, it is the posterior face. Anterior face, that is convex, that is concave. Okay, student, anterior face is concave, not a convex. Okay, anterior face is concave, posterior face is normal. Concave, that shows only by the anterior face. The type of the vertebra is called procellus vertebra. Vertebra are procellus. Next, first and second cervical vertebra. Which are the first and second cervical vertebra? These are the initial vertebrae in the vertebral column. First vertebra is atlas, modified into. Next, second cervical vertebra, that is called axis. Okay, atlas axis provides rotational movement of the head on the surface of rest of body. Okay, next, sacral vertebrae are 2 in number. Sacral vertebrae are, these are the vertebrae below the lumbar vertebrae. Sacral vertebrae are 2 in number. First 2 cervical vertebrae are atlas axis. Next, respiration is by lungs, and these are the animals also use ribs and intercostal muscles in the ventilation. By the purpose of ventilation, these are the animals use ribs and intercostal muscles. And another, if you observe turtles goes to respiration or the exchange of the gases by vascular cloaca wall. Cloaca, it is the posterior part in the body. Cloaca is with vascular wall which abundant blood capillaries, blood vessels, which helps in exchange of the gases in turtles. Turtles are group of animals. Next, heart is incompletely four-chambered, and completely four-chambered heart is available in crocodiles. Next, sinus venosus is present, conus arteriosus is absent. Sinus venosus, conus arteriosus both are present in amphibians, but in these reptiles, sinus venosus present, conus arteriosus absent. Next, three aortic arches. In these, two are systemic arches and another one is pulmonary arch. Three aortic arches directly arises from the ventricle of the heart. Next, RBC is with nucleus. RBC is with nucleus. Next, kidneys are mesonephric. Kidneys are mesonephric. Mesonephric duct, also called Wolffian duct of the embryo, act as vas deferens in males. What about the mesonephric duct? It is the duct which connects the kidney to the cloaca or to the urinary bladder. Mesonephric duct, Wolffian duct of the embryo act as vas deferens. That means it is acting as a transferring of the sperm, passing of the sperms from the reproductive organs to the cloaca via the excretory system. It is the duct which connects the kidney to the cloaca. Next, these are uricotelic animals. Uricotelic animal. Fishes, in fishes, cartilage fishes are uricotelic animals. Next, another bony fishes are ammonotelic animals. Amphibians are ureotelic animals and reptiles are uricotelic animals. Uricotelic animals, it is the one of the adaptation to conserve the water in the body. At the time of the excretion of uric acid, animal does not loses any amount of the water. Least amount of the water is losses at the time of the excretion of the uric acid from the body. Cranial nerves are 12 pairs. Snakes have 10 pairs like fishes. Next, tympanic membrane. Tympanic membrane, that is a eardrum. Tympanic membrane present at inner border of the external auditory meatus. External auditory meatus, student, it is the passageway from the outer side of the head to the middle ear. Okay, student, that is the external auditory meatus. And tympanic membrane present at the inner border of the external auditory meatus. Okay. Next, middle ear. Middle ear that has single ear acicle, that is columellaris. Middle ear that has single ear acicle, that is columellaris. Next, Jacobson organs. Jacobson organs are the specialized olfactory structures present in lizards and snakes. Jacobson organs are olfactory structures developed in lizards and snakes. Next, middle ear. Okay, it is completed. Next, males have muscular copulatory structure. Males have muscular copulatory structures help to transmit sperms from the male body to the female cloaca. Okay, that is males have muscular copulatory structures. It is the copulatory structure absent in rhynchocephalians. Rhynchocephalians are the group of reptiles. Okay, that is the copulatory structure absent in rhynchocephalians. Next, hemipenis present in lizards and snakes. Hemipenis, that means these are one-paired intromittent structures. One-pair intromittent structures present in the lizards and the snakes, that is called hemipenis. Next, cloaca is three-chambered. Cloaca, that is divided into three-chambered. It is coprodium, urodium, proctodium. Coprodium, undigested particles in the alimentary canal reaches to the coprodium. Urodium, that means it is the last part of the excretory system like a urinary bladder. Urodium. Next, proctodium. Proctodium, it is the part related with the reproductive system. Gametes are entered into the proctodium. Cloaca divided into 3 chambers like a bird's: coprodium, urodium, proctodium. Next, fertilization is internal, oviparous mostly, and eggs are megalithical. Large amount of the yolk present in the egg. The type of the eggs are megalithical eggs. Okay, students. Living reptiles. Extant reptile means grouped into 4 orders. Which are the 4 orders? First one, Chelonia. Next, Rhynchocephalia. Third one, Crocodilia. Fourth one, Squamata. In this Chelonia, first order. Chelonia includes with turtles, tortoises. Okay, Chelonia, Chelone, these are the name of the orders, 4 orders. These are the animals belongs from these orders. Chelone, Chelonia, first one. Chelone, marine green turtle, lives in marine water, green turtle. Testudo, that one is a terrestrial form. Trionyx, freshwater tortoise. Freshwater form. Next, Rhynchocephalia. What about Rhynchocephalia? Second order, that is includes with the Spinodon. Spinodon, it is the living fossil. It is considered as living fossil. Why it is called living fossil? Because there is no evolutionary changes in the body of this animal from the million years, 1,000 years. So it is called living fossil like a limulus. Next, endemic to New Zealand. It is appeared only in New Zealand at that place. So endemic to New Zealand. Next, third order, Crocodilia. Crocodilia includes with crocodiles. Which are the crocodiles? Crocodilus palustris, Indian crocodile or mager. Alligator, Gavialis gangeticus, Indian gavial or gharial. These are crocodiles. Includes in the order Crocodilia. Next, 4, Squamata. What about the 4th order, Squamata? That one is includes with lizards, snakes. Snakes present in the order Squamata. First one, lizards. Hemidactylus, it is the wall lizard. Hemidactylus is the wall lizard. Next, Draco, it is the flying lizard. Next, snakes differentiated into poisonous snakes, non-poisonous snakes. Which are the poisonous snakes? Naza, cobra. Next, Ophiophagous anna, king cobra. That is king cobra. Next, Bungarus, it is a kite. Next, Daboya, Vipera russelli. It is also called, normal name is chain viper. Okay, students. Next, non-poisonous snakes. Non-poisonous snakes are Castor, it is also called rat snake. Tropidonotus, it is pond snake, grass snake. These are non-poisonous snakes. Okay, students. Chelonia, Chelone, Testudo, Trionyx includes. Rhynchocephalia includes this Spinodon, living fossil. Crocodilia includes with crocodiles, Crocodilus palustris, alligator, Gavialis gangeticus. Next, Squamata includes with lizards, snakes, Hemidactylus draco. These are lizards. Next, snakes. Poisonous snakes are Naza naza, Ophiophagus anna, and Russell's viper. Viper or Russelli. Bangaras. Right. Next, non-poisonous snakes are Cas torpedonotus.